guys, I'm Eileen. So some people have asked me to share what I carry on a daily basis, and I thought, why not? Personally, I've always preferred smaller handbags because I don't usually carry a lot. This is why I'm always drawn to the mini version of most luxury handbags. So for example, the Hermes Birkin 25 is my favorite size for the Birkin bags, and I really don't see myself ever owning a size 30. I also prefer the Chanel mini flap way more than my classic flap in the size small. However, after becoming a luxury minimalist, I now carry even less, but there are some must-have items I always have in my bag. And now without further ado, let's see what my essential items are. So today I'm carrying my Hermes Birkin 25, and you can see I've got my things in there. This is in the black Epsom leather and with rose gold hardware. I would say this is one of my best luxury purchases because I use it quite a lot. I absolutely love the combination. For me, this is a truly classic piece. Anyway, the first item I carry is my Chanel classic card holder. This is in the black caviar leather and with gold hardware. I was previously using the Chanel Mini O case because these can carry quite a bit of cash as well. But in the last 12 months, I've been mainly paying with my credit cards or my phone. So recently I decided to downsize. I've had this Chanel card holder for years, so I thought I might as well make use of it. This is like the cutest thing ever. I feel like I can look at it all day if I really wanted to. In here I have my driving license, some credit cards, and a £10 note. Now, as small as this is, there's still quite a bit of thickness to it, seeing there's a flap. So I've been contemplating if I should get the Louis Vuitton classic card holder because that one has a very thin profile. But at the moment, I'm in two minds because I really don't want to have a collection of small leather goods. So I think if I ever get the Louis Vuitton card holder, I'll let the Chanel one go. But let me know what you think. Should I get the Louis Vuitton one or should I keep the Chanel card holder? Moving on. So the second thing I carry is my Louis Vuitton mini pochette in the Damier Ebene canvas. I love this thing. I would say this is another best luxury purchase of mine because I've been using it so much. The Damier Ebene canvas is so durable. I've had this piece for about 6 years and it's still looking brand new. This mini pochette is quite small, but it can carry all the little pieces I need on a daily basis. So in here, I've got my perfume atomizer. Now, I'm someone who really appreciates nice scents, which is why I enjoy wearing perfume. I'm not sure if it's just me, but when I smell good, it puts me in a very good mood and I just feel more put together and confident. Previously, I was using the Hermes Twilly, but my new favorite is this Stephanie de Bourgogne Le Salé. This was kindly sent to me by Max Aroma, who is the sponsor of this video, and so I want to say a special thank you to them. Max Aroma is a luxury perfume website where you can find a very comprehensive selection of perfume. You can pretty much find any perfume on the market here, including some of the most popular brands such as Hermes, Chanel, Roger, Morrison Francis, and more. Their prices are really competitive. In fact, some pieces are discounted at over 40%. I used to wear this Chloe perfume all the time, and you can see it's being discounted at nearly 30% off here. So if you have a staple perfume you love wearing every day, you might just be able to find a good deal on Max Aroma. At the moment, I'm wearing this Stephanie de Bourgogne every day. This has a lovely floral scent with a hint of amber, which is like a beautiful powdery scent. The smell is really sophisticated, but not overpowering. I've certainly received quite a lot of compliments while wearing this perfume. If you're interested in trying this perfume out, the link is down below. The next thing I always have in my mini pochette is my sunscreen. Now, I don't usually carry any makeup products because I don't have the habit of touching up my makeup. It's pretty much a case of putting my face on and hope for the best. But I always make sure to carry my sunscreen because sun protection is a major part of good skincare. Anyway, this is the Color Science Mineral Sunscreen. I've been using this for years. You can see the powder in there. I love that it's in a clear tube, so I know exactly when to stock up. The powder is translucent, so it doesn't have any shade to it. This comes with a very soft brush, so I can just top up my sun protection without having to worry about disturbing my makeup. I love this thing. This has a SPF of 50 and is waterproof, but it doesn't feel heavy on the skin at all. In fact, it feels very light and easy to wear. My little boy absolutely hates sunscreen, but he doesn't mind this at all. So this is like my everyday must-have item and something I'll buy over and over again. The next thing in my mini pochette is a hand cream. I always make sure to carry a hand cream with me wherever I go because I just can't stand the feeling of having dry hands. And this is my favorite one, which is the Laura Mercier Ombre Vanilla Hand Cream. The smell is lovely. I'm like addicted to the scent, which is why I keep coming back to this, even though I'm quite open to trying out other products. I actually got my colleague hooked on this, so now she's using this hand cream every day as well. If you haven't tried this, give it a try, you will love it. Next, I also always have this Blistex lip moisturizer with me. Now, I've tried several really expensive luxury lip balms, but nothing beats this lip moisturizer. And the best thing is, this is only £2.50. My dermatologist recommended this to me and I've been loving it ever since. This actually moisturizes your lips, whereas a lot of lip balms kind of just form a barrier layer on your lips, which kind of just sits on the surface. If you have very dry lips, give this a try, it will change your life. The last two things I have in my mini pochette are a hair tie and a pack of tissues. Nothing exciting, but they always come in handy. Then I have my sunglasses. I always try to bring a pair of sunglasses with me because sun protection for the eyes is just as important. So these are Jimmy Choo. They are one of my favorite pairs of sunglasses. I love that the design is really simple, there's no big logo anywhere, and they're just very comfortable to wear. Sunglasses are actually my favorite accessories. If you're like me and your outfits are quite plain and simple, having a pair of sunglasses on can really help to tie everything together and elevate the entire look. Besides, they are just super handy to have on days when I don't feel like doing makeup or if I haven't had a good night's sleep. Another essential item I carry every day is my phone, and mine is the iPhone 8 Plus. The phone case is from the Diary. I love the marble looking design. I think it looks very simple and pleasing. The phone stand is very handy. This is perfect for watching YouTube or filming outfit of the day videos. Moving on, I also always carry my AirPods because I love listening to audiobooks. For a long time, I was using the cheaper headphones I got from Amazon. I only got these AirPods because they came complimentary when I bought the Apple iMac, because they now have the new AirPod Pro, so I think they were just trying to get rid of these. I must say, I'm enjoying these so much. They connect to my phone almost instantly, they are so easy to use, and I really love the minimalist design. Most days, I also carry a reusable bag because I am trying my best to avoid buying plastic carry bags. So this is from Radley. I got this years ago as a gift. I really like it because it's really compact. As you can see, I can just put the whole thing into this little pouch when I'm not using it, so it doesn't take up a lot of space. This is very easy to clean as well. So I usually put this in the wash about every 2 months or so. Now, I'm not super environmentally friendly, but I think if everyone carries a reusable bag, it will really help to reduce plastic waste. Then I've got my keys. I usually leave my keys in this little pouch just so they don't scratch my bag. I did consider getting a Louis Vuitton key pouch, but the key fob for my car is quite big and I've got one for the house as well, so I'm just a bit worried they might not fit very well in the key pouch. So at the moment I'm using this little pouch which came with my phone case. To be honest, this has been working fine for me, but if you have any recommendations for any key pouches, please let me know. There you have it. So I've got everything out. So those are the items I kind of can't live without as a luxury minimalist. Some days, depending on the bag I carry, I might have to make some adjustments here and there, but for the most part, these are generally my daily essentials. I would love to know what are your must-have items in your bag, so make sure to leave a comment down below. I think it'll be so interesting to see what everyone carries. So that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Have a nice day.